Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to generate Gemini API key in 2025. So this is going to be a full guide on this topic. So make sure you follow it to the end to learn everything about generating Gemini's API key. So first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Gemini API key. Hit enter and the first link that you're going to see is ai.google.dev. Get a Gemini API key, Google AI for developers. Click on this link and it will open up another web page. Here you will see the Get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio button. So simply click on this blue link. Now this is going to open up this page. Here, if you will be already logged in with your account, you will see your Google account at the top. If you will not be logged in, for example, I'm signing out. Now I'm not logged in. I will click on this link again and it will take me to this page where I will have to just use an account to sign in on this page. So I will choose this account. Now I'm prompted to this page. Here I will have to simply click on the create API key if I don't have any API keys. So on this page, as you can see, I already have an API key that is listed just right here. You will see the API key list here. Now I will delete both of these and as you can see, I will have to create an API key to see my projects. So I'm going to start a new project with a new API key. I will have to click on the create API key button here. Now this will show me a pop-up where it says select a project from your existing Google Cloud projects. So you can search for an existing project. So we have this generative language client project. I will choose this. Now I'll have to click on create API key in existing project. Now this will generate an API key. As you can see, you'll have to use your API key securely. I'll have to just click on this copy button and now I have my API key available. I will open Notepad and paste it here. So this will be my API key that I just generated. As you can see, you can also cut this out and just below this create API key button, you will see API key available just right here. You can click on it and it will be viewed here. You can copy this and now you can easily use this. So that is a simple way to generate Gemini API key in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.